Welcome fellas into this new video of TechSpress. Today let's check out how we can get started with Cloudflare. If you're moving your website to a new domain or just trying to fix the www versus the non-www issue, for example, in the 2026 we're going to be moving the past all page rules limits, so we're going to be using the redirect rules. So the first thing is the orange cloud requirements. Before we actually create an actual rule, Cloudflare needs to see like so the traffic. So what I need to do is to have an actual Cloudflare account, of course, which is totally for free. So what I'm going to do is to go directly here into the Cloudflare, hit for the option that says create an account. I'm going to be using my own Google account, the same that I use for accessing my own website. Directly here into your Cloudflare, what I need to do is to go to my DNS settings. To have access directly to the DNS, go for the option that says domains, and here into your domains you won't be seeing that here will appear in your domains DNS. So if you're redirecting a whole domain that has no hosting, what you can do is to create an A record for the root and point it to the dummy IP like 192.0.2.1. So here I have an onboarding DNS records, and what I can do is to hit for the option that says continue. I can manually enter the DNS records, which is like really fast. What I need to do is, for example, textpress.xyi, and there we go. Now the crucial step here is that the process status must be orange cloud. If it is gray, the Cloudflare is just a phone bug and won't execute your redirect rule. So take that in mind really easily. So to create a redirect rule, let's build the logic. So if you go directly into your rules, then redirect rules, and click into create your rules, what you can do is to, under if incoming request match, change the field to host name and set the operator to equals and type your old domain. I'm going to stick around with this search DNS records, and I can go for 92.0.2.1. and hit for search. Here it should be appearing your actual new type. This, for example, let's go for add and go for save. Now my dummy IP address should be this one. Now usually, for example, this will be doing the actual trick, but basically this is how it should be appearing now. The TExpress points to, and you can add your IPv4 address, which is actually required. Now to create the redirect rule, what you need to do is to make sure that directly into the back of the searches you can start with the actual rule, which appears down directly inside here. So, and to create your rule, here let's go for one rewrite rule. You have to create URL rewrite rule. Let's say that this one, if incoming request the matches, change the field host name. You can set up the operators equal to, and change, for example, the all income request rewrite to, and here what you can do is to type your old domain, for example oldsite.com. Now for the target URL, we'll be using a dynamic expression, goes to the old site, for example block, and hit for the option that says preserve. Type this formula, it takes your new domain and tags to whatever path the user was looking for. So there's no more broken deep links. Always choose 301 for permanent moves. So this tells Google, hey, we moved house, update your index. And the www, if you just want to redirect the www.yoursite.com to yoursite.com, the Cloudflare has a template for that. Just click into the template verified domain names here, and Cloudflare handles the complex regex. So regular expressions logic for you, right? So there we go. And lastly, you have the testing and the troubleshooting. You just don't trust the dashboard, you can use a tool like the redirectchecker.org. So open a new tab, go for redirect checker, and here you wanted to use a tool like this to confirm you're getting a clean 301 response. If you see too many redirect errors, you can check your SSL setting. Usually setting it to full fixes to the actual loop. So in my case, I'm going to be copying this element, I'm going to paste it right away, and here for the option it says analyzed. So I have the HTTPS headers. Accept encoding, sec fetched site, sec fetch mode, sec fetch test, everything looks correctly good. So your redirect is live. In the 2026, this happens at the edge, meaning it's lighting fast for the users. If you run out into the redirect, I'll link to the troubleshooting guide in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully this was very useful for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And well, hopefully we can all see you next time.